Hey yo, what up guys? Welcome to Bar by Bar Reactions. Please subscribe on YouTube. Follow us on TikTok bar underscore by underscore bar underscore reactions. Also on TikTok at Bar by Bar Reactions. So today we will be reacting on Zmowa. I think the title of the song is called Delete. I think it dropped, I don't know, I'm not sure, maybe last month or a few weeks back, but Kona and Sandoiva. So we'll be doing that song. It's a very, very short song. Uzmowa artist yapha endiyithandayo. So nginawo umdla wova uba uziphathele ntoni pha. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's go to the song.
We ain't talking about phones, we're talking about everything that is happening to life. Don't ever sell your soul for easy, doesn't mind yours, hoping they will see out. Bitches come and go, hey, money come and go, yeah, hating come and go. Please just be like your phone.
Delete,
Umona,
delete,
ukuloya,
delete,
ukujola,
delete,
urhola ngenyanga kodwa abanye abantu barhola ngelanga.
delete,
Ingxaki,
delete,
idrag,
delete,
inkwari,
delete,
abazali,
remix,
imali,
repeat,
istik.
release, yeah. Delete ama-calls, delete ama-girls, delete ne-friends zabanye. Delete weekends, delete ne-tens, uplita ama-cherry wabanye. Delete amageza, delete omeza,
Bayathakaza.
delete yena. Voice ufuna uxelelwa. Delete bad energy, delete enemies. Suzimixa ne-black uyi-Hennessy. Delete
Yayibona i-switch up voice yalo mjida. Hayi. Unalando ngubani lo mjida? Ngubani lo mjida? Maglera. Ya, Maglera. Ngiyamlibala ma. Ngomnye endigqibele kudala umva lowo. Unala switch up voice like from uqala normal. Andifuna ukuthi uyatswina. Uqala normal and then avela aswitche like without ruining anything. Yabo? I think it's a special thing. That thing andiqondi uba wonke umuntu angayenza laa nto, like every rapper can do that. Abanye abantu banevoice nje eyi-one, like eyibo.
delete bad energy, delete enemies. Suzimixa ne-black uyi-Hennessy. Delete exes.
Just cut them off. Ibangati, you are editing. Yeah. Fuck the law.
Yeah.
Fuck it. And make it pregnant.
Delete strangers, delete tenders, delete chiefs ne-Pagani. Delete haters.
Ya delita i-Chiefs nebhakaniya ujoyine kaBuyilo. Eyi sibethwe saphambana yi-Pyramids, but andikho lapho.
Tenders, delete chiefs ne-Pagani. Delete haters, delete lenders, delete business dagamis. Delete gangsters, delete pressure, delete yonke zokuphazamisa. Delete genders, delete gays, imorphs, khuphe ku-recycling. Delete cappers, delete trappers, funa sibone eslighty. Delete insta, delete Twitter, ndizawuthengisa i-CD. Delete backstabbers, buyisi 8 bezela siqinisa ifamily. Delete tech.
Hayi. Ya. Hayi balo mjida. Hayi. Ya, le voice. Ndiyayiphinda.
Sibone eslighty. Delete insta, delete Twitter, ndizawuthengisa i-CD. Delete backstabbers, buyisi 8 bezela siqinisa ifamily. Delete tech members, delete gender based violators. Delete rappers, delete actors, delete yonke industry. Delete weather, delete umlungu, phangeleli idaki. Yena udownload istick.
Amadaki, yazi ke dana le nto ithi umlungu doesn't necessarily mean umuntu omhlophe. These days. Back then yes, but these days no more, not anymore. Umuntu oqeshileyo noba umnyama kuthiwa ngumlungu wakho, like so kule line ithini come
Industry, delete weather, delete umlungu, phangeleli idaki.
yes, that line noba ingenzeka loo nto, which is impossible of course under the economy ka Mr Phalaphala, but ke noba ingenzeka loo nto uzoba ngumlungu still uDucky.
actors delete yonke industry, delete weather, delete umlungu, phangeleli idaki, yena udownload istick, mameli icipha, soze wadikwa, soze wa peace.
Yeah, it's a very short song. Very short song. I'm not sure if it's a promotional track for an upcoming project or what, but it's a very short song. And I think that's it. Yeah, Pelile. It's a very short song. Nice though. It's very nice, very educational. Ne message, yeah, ne message profound. If uyithathele ingqalelo, like to actually think deep kwezinto ozitshoyo, but don't mix with black uyi-Hennis. Hanson City, if you will think deeper and deeper, you will actually see that, yeah, or meza, or what bad energies, all those things, those are the things, even though it's impossible to remove all these things, especially Chiefs Nepagania. But yeah, it's a very nice song. Endiyithandayo. I think I heard it once kwi reel on TikTok. Then I was like, wow, I need to check it up. And by the way, if you reached this far, thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Bar by Bar Reactions on YouTube, Bar by Bar Reactions on TikTok, and Bar by Bar Reactions on Facebook. Dango.